final step is the assembly of the pen. Put the tip in on this pen press jig. I'm going to add the coupler. Everything is smooth and slippery, hard to hold on to. Now we're going to insert the ink with the spring and the mechanism, or the transmission as it's called. It threads in, threads on both the mechanism and the top. Here's the pen. And the last step is just to apply the top. So here we have our tactical pen, matte black components, red heart body, Parker mechanism. We call it tactical pen because it has a hardened steel tip. You can write on glass, metal, wood. You can also shatter glass with it. It's that hard. That's our tactical pen.